sincerely thank KCB for this marvelous competition. We all appreciate that it was a big tournament and one of the best series in the country. So in terms of how I feel honored to be have added the best man and also part of the best team for the day. Will be proceeding to the grand finale. So it's a great honor for me, and I really appreciate KCB for the sponsorship. Of course, number one was we had to put up a strategic move in terms of forming up a team. So we deliberately looked at each other's potential, and we formed a team out of that. So I think it's a team that he has said he's a brother-in-law, and we play a lot together. So having that experience, we formed a team that was very well coordinated.